All right, this is lesson 6.4, and this is called our percent equation lesson. So we're going to go ahead and do these problems here. We're writing the equation this time for the problem. So our previous lesson did the proportion method. This one's going to use the equation method. Biggest thing to remember here is that percents represented as decimals. So in particular, you need to be careful when you're writing your equation, and you also need to be super careful when you go back for your final answer. If you'd asked for a percent, we actually have to change it from a decimal. So we're going to go ahead and just take these exactly what we see. 75 is what percent of 150? I should really rewrite this as 75 equals 150x. Dividing through by 150 on both sides, I get 0.5 equals x. The question said what percent, so this is actually one of those examples where I have to move my decimal point over, and my final answer here is actually 50%. 84 is 50% of what number? So I'm going to divide through by 0.50, and I get x equals 168. What number is 65% of 98? So I'm going to multiply those two, and I get 63.7 here. For question number 4, a store sold 550 video games in December. This made up 12.5% of their yearly video game sales. How many video games did they sell the whole year? So we're going to put 550 is 12.5% of yearly. The yearly is what we're trying to figure out. So we have 550 equals 0.125x. Divide through by 0.125. And we get that x equals 4,400 games. And that's during the whole entire year. Number 5, Taryn's grandmother took her family out to dinner. The dinner was $74, and Taryn's dinner was 20% of the bill. How much was Taryn's dinner? So dinner is 20% of the whole bill, and the bill is $74. So the dinner is what we're trying to find. 20% of 74. So we're just going to multiply these, and we get 14.8, which is money here. So we're going to add that 0 at the end. All right, there you go. That's it for the equation lesson then.